Myself is Priyank Shah. I will present on Sachin Tendulkar. The introduction of Sachin Tendulkar, the name of Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, the born of Sachin Tendulkar, 24 April 1973, the coach of Sachin Tendulkar, Ramakant Archerkar, the best friend of Sachin Tendulkar, Vinod Kambli, and the major team are the Mumbai India and ACC Asian 11s. The batting style, the right-handed bat, and the bowling style is a leg break, the googly. The Sachin personal life. The Sachin was born in Bombay and his father Ramesh Tendulkar the named Tendulkar after his favorite music director. The Sachin Dev the Burman the Tendulkar elder the brother Ajit encouraged him to play the cricket. The Tendulkar has the two other the sibling the other brother Nitin and sister Savitai. In 1995, the Sachin Tendulkar married Anjali and the daughter of Gujarati industrial the Anand Mehta, and they have the two children the Sara and the Arjun. Cricketing career of the Sachin Tendulkar. The Tendulkar attained the Sardasram Vidya Mandir, where the began his cricketing career under the guidance of his coach. During his school day, he attained the MRF pace the foundation to train as a fast bowler. But the Australian fast bowler, the Dennis Lilly, who took the world record the 355 test wickets, was impressed and suggesting that the Tendulkar focus on his batting instinct. He was the 11 years old. He was given his the first cricket bat and his the talent in sports was immediately apparent. At the age of 40, he scored the 326 out of world records 10 of 664 in school match. As his accomplishment grew, he became the sort of cult figure among the Bombay school boy. The 50 years old the Tendulkar scored the century in the domestic first class debut for the Bombay in December 1988 and making him youngest the player to do so. In August the 1990s, the 70 years old the delivered the match saving the 119 not out against the England to become the second youngest player to record the century in test play. After finishing the 1996 the World Cup has the events leading the score, the Tendulkar was the named captain of Indian national team. However, he is the teenage the mark one of the few blinds on the otherwise the illustrious the career. He was the relief of the responsibility in the January 1998 and the briefly took over as the captain again in 1999. But the overall won the just for the of the 25 test match in that position. The record of Sachin Tendulkar, he became the first batsman to touch the 200 mark in the ODI cricket in 2010. The Tendulkar score is the 100 international 100. The most number of man of the match awards the 63 and man of the series award the 17. The 100 run in the calendar years in ODI 7 times. Highest partnership in ODI match scored the 331 runs with the Rahul Dravid against the New Zealand's. The achievements of Sachin Tendulkar, the 1994 the Arjun Awards, the 1997 to 1998 the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, 1998 the Padma Shri, 2001 Maharashtra Bhushan Awards, the 2008 the Padma Vibhushan and the 2040 Bharat Ratna. The commercial endorsements of the consignments of Sachin Tendulkar, the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Adidas, TVC, etc., etc.